Innofalls Charts, a versatile and interactive visual solution. Innofalls Charts is a robust visual tool with a diverse range of chart types and interactive capabilities. Our waterfall charts offer a comprehensive view of your data. You can create running totals and delta waterfalls, allowing you to compare measures or members. They are expandable, drillable, stackable, and calculate intermediate sums automatically. Maintain clarity in your data exploration using the drill down history, providing visual feedback of your drill downs. Modify them retroactively and combine multiple drill downs for a comprehensive analysis. Innofalls Charts offers a range of interactive features. You can drill down into specific data points, expand charts for a detailed view, and undo and redo actions as needed. Dynamic comparisons allow you to gain a better understanding of your data, while zooming lets you focus on critical details. To maintain a consistent and standardized look, our IBCS theme offers scenario-based formatting, equal scaling, highlights, deviations, and automatic number formatting. Enhance data comprehension with animations, reducing change blindness by promptly detecting resorted or added data elements. Uncover the potential of Innofalls Charts. Enhance your data exploration and get started today. It's free for Power BI Desktop.